Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix E3 error on washing machine. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, if you're having issues with your washing machine here and you're getting that E3 error, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could try here to fix that specific issue. So usually if you're getting the E3 error, it means it's not, or your washing machine is not draining properly. So this can be due to a number of reasons, like for example, if in a cold area, the actual drain section here is actually frozen. So in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could do. Now, by the way, if another thing you might want to do here is maybe clean it. So yeah, so first rule out what's the reason here. So if you're in a cold environment, what you could do is you want to open your washing machine here and you want to check if there's water inside it. Now in this case, the washing machine, or if the washing machine here is frozen, the water inside and in the drainage hose here specifically, it needs to be thawed. Now, you want to remove any laundry from your washing machine here, and you want to scoop any water inside the tub. So you want to scoop it out using any you could use, just remove the water there, and from then on you want to pour warm water inside it, so preferably around like 50 to 60 Celsius, so not to the point of boiling, but at least near that warm water would do here. And you want to close the door and let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours. Now, if it's extremely cold, it might take more than 2 hours for the ice to melt, and you might want to also replace the water if it gets too cold, or in this case, maybe replace it from time to time if it's the inside is still frozen. And also you want to check your drainage here. So if it's still showing the E3 error here, or unable to drain error, the drainage hose might also be frozen. So in this case, you want to soak a water towel into warm water, and you want to wrap the towel around the drainage hose to melt any ice inside. So you want to feel the drainage hose here, so which one is cold, which one is hard, and you want to go wrap a warm towel on that side. Now, also, you've need to do the following. So once the water is thawed, the tub and the hose, so you want to turn on the washing machine here, and you want to select spin or spin only cycle and start it to drain out any remaining water. Now, if no water comes out, the ice hasn't melted completely, so give it more time here. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, or if you're not in a cold area, it might mean that the actual washing machine is dirty, or there might be blockages on the washing machine itself. So I really suggest you to clean your washing machine here, and also check the drainage hose here and make sure it's in a leveled area. It's not too high, and so that the water can actually drain. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.